go now. Gates open, that up and racing. Why, Delilah moving up in between runners. Red Flash, then Ori outside, answered prayer. Chelsea comes next, then followed by runner number 3, and that's Royal Jester alongside reenactment by the Real Dress Up. Smart Kid trailing the group. Lucky heading towards the half mile. Now we have Royal Jester leading, runner Red Flash leading the field, followed by why Delilah, answered prayer moving a party outside to take second, then followed by Chelsea heading towards the 450. Red Flash still leading the field, answered prayer about to throw the challenge. Ori outside. Why Delilah still in third, and Chelsea and our stretch they come. Red Flash still leading the field, answered prayer is Ori outside. Chelsea with 150 to go. Red Flash back to 2 lengths lead, answered prayer remains in second. Chelsea and finally back-to-back win for Patricio Ramos de Lema, this time on Red Flash. Then comes answered prayer. Chelsea Smart Kid.